Here is an example of how a pharmacist could interview a patient to gather the best possible medication history and complete a medication reconciliation. Hello ma'am, my name is Maite. I'm your pharmacist. I'd like to go over your current medication to make sure that I have a complete and accurate medication history. These will help me ensure that you're getting the safest and most effective treatment. Is that okay with you?
Yes, is it okay with me?
First, I'd like to know about your name, medical number, and date of birth.
My name is Noida Abubakar. My MRN is 1031950 and my birthday is July 4, 1982.
Great, thank you. Can you tell me the names of all the medications you're currently taking? Or if you have it there, can I take a look?
Yes, I bring it here. I will get in my bag. Here, this is my medications.
Okay. Can you tell me about this?
This one is paracetamol. This is Giblicatpan paracetamol 1000 mg as needed. And this one is Lornoxicam for my joint pain as needed twice a day. And that one is for my hypertension once a day.
Okay, let me just confirm I have that right. You're taking paracetamol as needed,
Yes.
Lornoxicam twice a day for your pain, joint pain, and this perindopril 5 milligrams for your hypertension.
Yes, that's fine.
Wonderful, thank you. Can you tell me when you started taking all of this medication?
This one for pain, this one is just twice, just 2 weeks ago for this one, and this one perindopril is 2 months ago.
Okay, got it. And do you know what the paracetamol and Lornoxicam are being used to treat specifically?
Yes, this one is for pain because sometimes I'm complaining headache, and this one is for my joint pain. For example, as this one, the two of them is as needed.
All right, that's helpful to know. And have you experienced any side effects or problem with all of these medications? Or are there other medications that you're allergic to?
No, I don't think so. There's no problem for that one.
Excellent. Just a couple more questions. Do you have any other medications like inhalers, eye drops, multivitamins, supplements, herbal medications, creams, ointments?
No, just the 3 of them.
Okay, great. And is there anything else you think that I should know about your medical history or current health status that could be relevant?
No, it's just that one.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Ma'am Norita. I believe I have a thorough understanding of your medication regimen now. I make sure to document all of these in your medical record. Please let me know if you have any other questions and concerns moving forward.
Yes, thank you also. Something like that, at least you can just share me like this in that one.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure speaking to you today. Have a great day.
I will just get my medications.
Okay.